Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen how to install the RT kernel or the real-time kernel in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now in this video we are going to see how to install the Nvidia proprietary drivers in your Ubuntu system that has the RT kernel already installed. So what issue is there, that Nvidia proprietary drivers don't work with the preempt or the RT kernel. So preempt RT kernel does not fit inside the Nvidia's we can say design theory. So Nvidia, whenever you want to use Nvidia proprietary drivers, if you install the RT kernel, then the Nvidia drivers won't work. And if you try to install Nvidia afterwards, the installation of RT kernel, again the Nvidia won't get installed and it won't work on your system. So there is a workaround for the Nvidia drivers, proprietary drivers, to work with the system having the RT kernel. So for that you have to issue this command sudo ignore underscore preempt underscore RT underscore presence is equal to 1 bash, and you have to point to the installation file of Nvidia Linux proprietary driver. So this is available on the Nvidia website. So you can go to Nvidia website, search for the Linux drivers, and you have to download this run file that is suitable for the Nvidia graphics card that is there on your system. So different graphics card will have different installation file, so you do that. And for Windows and Linux it is a different installation file. So in Windows obviously it is a exe file, and on Linux it is a .run file. So if you give this command, so what will happen is this ignore preempt RT presence argument will be first executed, and later on this installation of Nvidia driver will be done. So this Nvidia installer will follow this argument that has been executed earlier, and then it will allow the installation of Nvidia accelerated graphics card for Linux. And here also in some of the users this works, it will not work for all the users. So you can be lucky, you can try, and if you are lucky the Nvidia driver will work with the RT kernel. But it is found that not all the users are lucky, only for few it is work. So I did this on my system, but this did not work. So you can give it a try. So you can install RT kernel and then again install the Nvidia cards after the installation of the RT kernel, and you can try this command. It might work for you. It did not work for me. And suppose what happens is, suppose this Nvidia driver won't install with the RT kernel, then what you can do is, the option is there, so you have to uninstall the RT kernel, install the Nvidia, and then you can install the low latency kernel from the Ubuntu repository. So low latency kernels were working with the Nvidia drivers fine till at least 22.04 LTS. So I have not tried that out in Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So another video will come whether it works or not. But up to the last LTS, that is the 22.04 LTS, the low latency kernel was working fine with the Nvidia. So most probably it should also work for the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So that we require to find it out in some other video. So that video might come later on after a few months or whenever I get the time. So that's it. Now I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.